Bukas na po ang one-night-only presentation ng kontrobersyal na dulang The Vagina Monologues. Abala naman sa paghahanda ang mga kababaihang nasa likod ng dula. Magiging espesyal din daw ang pagtatanghal bukas dahil katatapukan ito ng kwento ng mga Pinay comfort women nung panahon ng hapon. At live mula sa Quezon City, may report si Joseph Moro.
Ngayong buwan ng kababaihan ay tatanghal muli yung play na may kontrobersyal na titulo na minsan nang bumasag sa katahimikan sa tunay na kalagayan ng mga babae sa lipunan. Ito yung The Vagina Monologues at pangungunahan niya na batikang aktres na si Monique Wilson.
I moaned as I peed. I couldn't believe it. Me, moaning in a Texaco station in the middle of Louisiana. I realized right then that the moans are connected with not getting what you want right away. With putting things off.
Inabutan namin nag-ensayo ang theater actress na si Juno Henares at co-director na si Rito Asilo ng isang monologo galing sa The Vagina Monologues ng playwright na si Eve Ensler. Ang monologo ay kwento ng isang prostitute na paboritong suki ay kapwa niya mga babae.
I didn't start out like this, no. To the contrary. I started out as a lawyer. But in my late 30s, I became obsessed with making women happy. It began as a mission of sorts. But then I got involved in it. I got very good at it and kind of brilliant. It was my art. I started getting paid for it. It was as if I had found my calling.
Kontrobersyal hindi lamang ang titulo kundi pati na rin ang mga kwento ng kababaihan na nasa The Vagina Monologues. Dahil karaniwang hindi raw nabibigyang boses sa mga kababaihan. Layo ng The Vagina Monologues na magsalita para sa mga babae. Base ang play sa daan-daang interview ni Ensler sa mga kababaihan sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo.
Men don't really care about how a woman feels a lot. It's a very macho. And men here are not used to expressing feelings themselves. It's a woman's story. And it's true here no matter where in the world. It's true all over the world.
I think it's important for a man to watch as well because then it gives him insight into what women are thinking. Women naturally don't talk about these things with their husbands, especially when they're not empowered, which they should be. And so when you have somebody else saying it for you, then it gives the men insight.
Katatambukan ng aabot sa 50 actress, musician, mga manunulat at journalist na babae ang one-night-only show ng The Vagina Monologues bilang bahagi ng V-Day celebration. Pangungunahan ito ng batikang aktres na si Monique Wilson na co-director din ng play.
It's a play that talks about women's issues and brings the story of women to the forefront. And it's really about revealing a lot of the unspoken stories about women, primarily of abuse and oppression and suffering, but also stories about sexuality and desire and womanhood and femininity that sometimes in so many cultures nahihiya yung mga tao to speak about.
Hindi raw sinasadya na malapit sa Holy Week ang playdate ng kontrobersyal na palabas.
I am worried about women's situation and I'm worried that people use religion to continue the cycle of oppression and suppression of their rights. And I think that there is a contradiction there because your faith or your spirituality really should empower you and not diminish you and not make you smaller or not keep you invisible or keep you powerless.
Espesyal din na magiging pagtatanghal bukas dahil isa sa mga monologues ay kwento ng karanasan ng mga Pilipinang comfort women na unti-unti nang nalilimutan.
What we got called Ianfu, comfort women, Shogyufu, women of indecent occupation. What we felt, my chest still trembles. What we want, now, soon, before we're gone, and our stories leave this world, leave our heads. Japanese government, say it, please. We are sorry, comfort women.
Jiggy, sa pagtatanghal bukas ay ilan sa mga pangunahing panauhin nila ay mga 10 mga comfort women. Jiggy.
Maraming salamat, Joseph Moro.